Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, EveryStepCalculus.com. Obviously a physics problem. This is not easy. Took me 3 days to clean it up probably. I look at these type of problems and then try to find professors that answer them. Retired professors, certainly in Yahoo, do that. And they come up with different formulas or ways, and those don't work with other events of the same type. So I have to all consider that when I'm writing my program. So finally, this is the way it's done, and let's do it. Physics to get to my main menu. I'm already at trajectories. This is path of an object or trajectories. A situation like this. Projectile range, and so we choose that one in the menu, in my main menu, and then we scroll to what's asked here in these problems, and they're asking for 2 or n times the distance or the height. I don't have enough room to put that in here on the screen here of the titanium, so that gives you an indication of what you should press, so I do that. Finding the angle given 2 or n times the range or height. There it is here. And so we're going to enter this 5 times here. You have to press alpha first, alpha 5. I always show you what you've answered in case you've made a mistake, want to change it. Say it's okay. And then it's 5 times the range, or 5 times the height. This equals to 5 times its maximum height. So we choose number 2. And as soon as this comes up, you start writing this on your paper. You go range, r equals range equals 2 times the velocity squared times sine of theta, cosine theta, divided by gravity, g. And the height, the maximum height, is equal to 1/2 v squared, velocity squared, times sine squared theta, divided by g. Okay, and the range is equal to 5 times the height, so we put in the range here formula, and that's going to equal 5 times the height formula. Okay, we simplify. 2 times theta times cosine of theta equals 5/2 sine squared of theta. We keep writing exactly what you see here on the screen in your paper, and we come up with the answer of 38.7 degrees. Okay, that's one way of doing it, which one professor did on the thing, but then another professor did another way, so I thought I'd do that one too. As over 2GH. This is the vertical standard equation in physics. 5 times the height, and when we write all this down, you can see it comes up with the exact same answer. So you can use either one you wanted, depending on what your professor used on your blackboard. But anyways, you came to see this site because you're in a class of physics, or you need to do your homework, or you want to learn about physics to pass your test, not to learn about it for posterity reasons. So you came to the right site. But now you need to go to my site and buy my programs for $30. They're only $30. Nothing compared to what you spend every day on gas and everything else. And in your calculator is 370 programs like this that handle all that's in that first menu, okay? And give you the answers to all these, all in your titanium, okay? So think about that. You can do that, or else you can study for 3 days a problem like this, which might or might not come up on your tests, but it's an example of the power of my programs, okay? So anyways, wherever you're located, have a good day and have a good one.